these two birds doing there? Excuse me?
Yes.
Do you two guys, birds know? Bozo, do you know? You are having 100 subscribers. Do you know?
What?
Yes. Bozo, you are having 100 subscribers. Bozo, we have a cake, we have ice cream, we have treats, right? Yay!
Have Bozo.
Yes! Bozo is going to be also full manchol. No biting. Stop. So Bozo, let's start the celebration.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yay! Party! Now let me show you guys. I have made his 100 subscribers a cake. As you can see, there is one Delta Sticks piece, which is one pedigree. They are round, so I just made it like 100 subscribers. Isn't it cool? Now I'm also having this Delta Sticks for Bozo. We just bought it some new ones, and we are also having dog ice. I just made it at home, so I will show you. So this is made of yogurt and some fruits like bananas and mangoes. So now we will go and take it to Bozo. And yeah, now we will start. And we also have a toy for him. So let's go. But first, let's put our ice cream. Just there is the ice cream, and there is his yummy looking cake, and this is his treat. So now let's go and celebrate. We are not doing that much, so just for a little celebration we are doing. So, and thanks for your love and support. And yeah, let's go now. Ice cream, yummy. It's really hot, so that's why I just made him a little ice cream, right? This is dog safe. We have just not mixed any artificial thing. We just added yogurt, mangoes and bananas. Bozo's favorite, banana and yogurt. You want some? Oh, this is having fun. After this, we'll give this treat to Bozo. So, this is his cake over there. He was like, I want that. Now he will eat his treat. Bozo, you wanna chew? Bozo? Bozo? You can have it. Bozo, you can have it. Please eat it. No, where are you going? Bozo? Are you going to your place? Stop it. Is your treat in your mouth? Oh man. He's just enjoying his treat secretly. Okay, you can have it. Okay, he's liking it. Now he'll chew this. I think he's loving it. Right, yeah. I think this is his most favorite treat. We have just bought it. Oh. Bozo is loving it. Bozo, can you please come? This is his secret place. Oh, it's cold there, so that's why he's just he's sleeping here. Oh, he's able bite it. Wow, Bozo. Wow, yummy treat, yes. You can also buy this for your dog. And he's loving it. Rakul, just see him, what he's doing. He's enjoying his Dentastix. He knows that we are having this. So, he was just like, he just wanted it. We will also give him this after the treat. Let's wait how much time do he takes to eat it. He will not give you Prakul. He will eat it. Oh. Yummy, he's able to bite. Yeah, bite. He was not able to bite the sticks, chicken sticks. Oh, now he's changing the place. Oh, now on the slippers. Are you like crazy? Okay, so it's Bozo's day today. So yeah, Prakul. He will not give it to me. Bozo, give me. Okay, he's not giving it to me. So after this, we will go and give him cake. Bozo, you ate it? Okay, Bozo, come, I have cake. Bozo, I have something special. You want it? Okay, I will give you, wait. Let me cut it for you a little. So now, cut the cake. Okay, wait. Yay! Party! Okay. How is it? Okay. It was good. Okay, now let's give it to Bozo. Wow! Be careful, Bozo. He just loves it. One more. Okay, I will give you. He's there and his cake is here. This is Bozo's spoon, so we didn't have a knife. So, Bozo, you want more cake? Okay, I will give you. He's eating his piece of cake. Already done. I made it too big, Bozo? And you just ate it. It's okay. Let me give you more. You want more? I just gave him in month. Here you go. Okay, he's just loving it. Alright, you can have it. Okay, alright. He's done with it. Okay, Bozo, done? Yummy? You can have it. You can lick the bowl, Bozo. Okay, he's done. Now, we'll give him a toy, Bozy. Okay, Bozo, I have this new de-shedding one. Would you like it? Okay, he's feeling really massage. Don't you want to do it? Okay, he's saying, what the heck is this sound coming from? So how is it? You can just push it and your all hair will go. I mean, not yours. Your dog's hair. Bozo, now it's time for the gift. Was it ready? Okay, so he just already gave him the toy and now he's de-shedding it. What are you doing? You guys are having fun, Bozo. This is your new ball. Bozo, you like it? You want it? Go fetch it. You don't want the ball? Okay. He wants to sleep, so I think we'll end this video here. It's a little long video, so yeah, this is his new de-shedding one, and this is Bozo's new collar. This one. It's looking good, right? Okay, Bozo, say bye and thank you.